Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about the derivative. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about the quotient rule of the derivative. So we have the formula in here. So if we do first the derivative of 8 over b, we need to do first the derivative of 8 multiplied by b minus we need to do first the derivative of b multiplied by 8 over b squared. Now we can apply the formula in here. So that should be like this. So first derivative of cosine x, we have negative sine x. First derivative of number 1, this is about the constant, so you got number 0. This one we have cosine x. Next, negative sine x multiplied by this one, and we have like this. Negative with negative, you got positive. Negative and negative, we have positive. And this one we have cosine x squared. So this one we have number 1. And we see that 1 minus sine x divided by 1 minus sine x, we have 1 over 1 minus sine x. This is the end. Thank you for watching.